Today we're making a deep green juice, cleansing, balanced, and full of life. So first, cilantro. It helps pull heavy metals out of your system and supports healthy digestion. Then parsley, bright, fresh, and full of chlorophyll. A small handful goes a long way. It supports your kidneys and helps flush toxins out. Now cucumber, hydrating and cooling. Loaded with electrolytes and minerals that bring your body back into balance. Your skin, your digestion, everything benefits. Celery brings that earthy salt and mineral energy. It calms inflammation, balances pH, and keeps your system alkaline and clean. Then we go deeper with purple kale and spinach. Kale's loaded with antioxidants and iron. That royal purple? Pigment protects your cells. Spinach brings magnesium and folate, building clean energy from the inside out. Then lemon, bright, cleansing, full of vitamin C. It helps your body absorb all those nutrients from the greens. Once everything's juiced, I pour it into a mason jar and seal it tight. It's the small habits that make the biggest change. Remember, healing doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be consistent. You are what you juice. Follow for more juice recipes. Juice the Earth.